Nathan Allen, and this is the Allen enlargement machine. And my grandpa worked on it like 80 years ago, and my dad tried to finish it, but I finally found the part to finally make it to work. So we're going to test it out here. This is the first time I've ever done it on an audience. Let's turn up to number 1. Let's slide it right through here.
Whoa!
Yeah. Bigger wrench. Here it is.
Bigger wrench. That works.
All right. Does anyone have anything else that we can try? Here? Let me get it out.
Well, I guess you could try some Cheerios.
Okay.
Cheerios.
All right. Let's just try one.
Whoa! Whoa! Oh boy. Dead cover. There you go. That machine
They're donuts.
I don't think I would suggest eating that.
Wow, that was amazing. It works.
Anything else?
What about
It might not come out the same way. Okay, let's turn it up to number 5.
Whoa.
The highest I've ever done. Let's go.
What a machine.
Well, I think we can try a few more things. Does anyone have anything else?
Sure, I got a washcloth here.
Okay.
Oh, ooh,
I need-
good one, good one.
Number 7.
Why would you like bring a washcloth?
Oh, mackerel. Amazing.
I like the little ding. Like,
I think I've got one more thing that might work. What about thread?
Alright. Right up all the way to number 10. I've never done this high. So let's see what